Good morning, myself Dr. Kunjal Sharma. Today our topic is colocynth poisoning and croton tiglium, which are the short notes. Now colocynth poison. It is a vegetable poison. So this plant grows throughout India and it is also known as bitter apple or indriyani. So it is obtained from the dried pulp of the fruit of Citrullus colocynthis or bitter apple. So we are getting this colocynth from the dried pulp of the fruit. The name of this fruit it is Citrullus colocynthis, and the pulp from the seeds which is known as colocynth, which is a soft or the spongy, white in color and light fragments and bitter in taste. Now active principle of colocynth is a resinous glycoside and colocynthine, which is approved that they are the irritant of the gastrointestinal tract. So it will produce the irritation. And the glycosides are substances found in plants and are composed of a sugar and non-sugar compound. So the glycosides which are present into the plants, and they are the sugar and non-sugar compounds, and it will produce the toxic effects. Now the signs and symptoms. In case of overdose, it produces severe abdominal pain because the active principle of colocynth is colocynthine, which will produce the irritation of gastric mucosa. That's why there is abdominal pain, and there is yellowish vomiting, yellow watery stool, which mixes with the blood. There is collapse condition and occasionally death. Now fatal dose is about 1 to 2 grams, and fatal period varies from 24 hours to few days also. And treatment follow general principles, or we can say we can give the stomach wash to remove the fragments of the seeds from the stomach, and also we can give the antidotes, and according to the symptoms we can give treatment. Now post-mortem appearances. There is irritation of alimentary tract and inflammation of kidneys and urinary bladder. Now medico-legal aspects. It is used for commit suicide, and also it causes congestion of the pelvic viscera, and it has been used to procure abortion. So here we are completing colocynth poison. Next short note is croton tiglium. Now croton tiglium, which is the vegetable poison. This plant grows all over India, and we are getting seeds and oil from this plant, and the seeds and oil castor seeds in size and shape, so oval in shape but differ in their appearance. So it's similar in size and shape of the castor seeds but difference in their appearance. Now color, which is blackish brown in color with white oily kernel and have longitudinal lines on them. So the middle part or the central part which is edible, it is oily, and there is longitudinal lines on that part, and oil which is brownish in color, then viscid appearance or the sticky in appearance, and unpleasant smell, not good in smell, and bitter in taste. Now active principle is crotin, which is a toxalbumine, which is an irritant and vesicant, or it will produce the blisters, and a less poisonous glycoside. It is crotonoside is also present. So crotonoside, it is less poisonous than the crotin. Now the signs and symptoms of croton tiglium are similar to poisoning by resin, or you can see castor oil or the arandew oil, which causes blistering externally. When it applies externally, then it will produce the blisters, and when it is ingested or taken orally, then it will produce severe gastrointestinal irritation with burning pain in abdomen. There is vomiting, diarrhea, and frequently a burning pain at the anus because it acts onto the gastrointestinal tract. It will produce the irritation and the vesication, or the you can say there is a blisters, and then there is a collapse condition, and last ending into the death. Now fatal dose is 20 drops of oil or 4 seeds, and fatal period, death occurs in about 4 to 6 hours, or may be delayed for 3 to 6 days also. Now treatment based on general principles. According to the symptoms we can give the treatment. Now post-mortem appearances. Fragments of seeds present into the stomach. So there is occasional erosion and submucous hemorrhages due to the irritation of the mucous membrane, and also with the blisters it will produce the hemorrhages from the all mucous membranes. Now medical legal aspects. Homicidal cases when seeds administered into the food, and accidental cases we can see from the use of croton oil as a purgatives, and also it will produce the abortion, so also as abortifacient. Now wild tribes have used the oil as an arrow poison to kill the cattle. So here we are completing Croton tiglium. Thank you.